Baofeng has discovered a revolutionary new technology. It's called translucent plastic. You've probably seen this little Baofeng Mini before. Same radio, same features, same price. But now, it's amber translucent. You can get it in that crystal clear prison edition that some of you people like, but I like this thing in amber. This is pretty sexy. Even after I showed you this one in the last video, a lot of you guys were asking, what problem does it solve? And now I've got more of them, because before I had 4, now I've got 6, because they come in 2 packs. So today we're going to talk about what problem this thing actually solves. So why 2 radios? I get it, why 2 radios? It's because they're cheap. And really, in order to make it worth the time of getting it in a box and getting it on a plane or on a boat or on a car or on a truck and into your neighborhood, 20 bucks is 20 bucks, but 20 bucks is hard unless it's inside of another box with a whole bunch of other $20 things. So $40. That's why 2 radios. And besides, I can give one of these to a friend. You do have friends, right? And I can talk back and forth with my friend while we're caravanning across the country. These are ham radios, so you need a license for them, but they also make GMRS radios. What can these things actually do? Well, in another video, I showed you how to hook this thing up with an AIOC board, which I had laying here on the desk. There it is. This little guy right here. You take this thing, you open up the side where you've got the K connector, and you plug in the board, and now I have a 2-meter data radio, and I can send APRS text messages back and forth. I can monitor and download traffic from WinLink and from Packet Radio, and I can do a whole bunch of other really cool things. I can even make myself an easy, simple all-star node out of this thing. And I sell these AIOC boards on my website, temporarylyoffline.com. I will leave a link in the description down below. I totally didn't just throw that while trying to point. Now, where did it go? There it is. It's okay. It's safe. You can also talk on repeaters, and it's a good cheap way to have a radio on a job site that you're not really terribly worried about, you know, breaking, destroying, falling, etc. I mean, if you're a plumber and you're working and this thing falls in the pit, it's not an oh moment. It's a, I'll go get another moment. These things are great as first ham radios. These are great as gifts for other hams in your area. Leave it in your glove box. Keep it in your back pocket while you're carrying your HF radio up to a soda summit, because it doesn't weigh all that much and it doesn't take up all that much space. In an emergency, I've got a pair of radios that I can hand one to a friend. Kind of talked about the pair thing, but you know, in an emergency, grid down type situation, 2 radios is better than 1 radio. 2 is 1, 1 is none kind of thing. These are not contest radios. I don't know who's doing 2-meter contesting on FM on a handy-talkie, but maybe somebody is. I don't know. These are not bulletproof radios. This thing would not survive the impact. How many Baofengs does it take to stop a 22LR? I don't know, but it'd be a pretty cool thing to find out. So send me all your Baofengs and we'll do a test. And if you guys are paying attention to the news, Yaesu just raised their prices, so this is a great way to get 10 radios for the price of 1. Ooh. Just how translucent is it? Let's check this out. I got a flashlight in, see? Oh, you can see through it. That's pretty cool. But of course, side by side, you can't really shine a light through this one. You can't see what's going on inside of this one here either. And besides, it's just cool. This one is mine. This one I might let you borrow. And these things also come in GMRS flavor. So I think this is going to replace the old UV5R with the new UV5R Mini. And we're going to have a whole bunch of colors coming out in the future. Whether you get a solid gray plastic one, or the really cool amber see-through one, or the prison edition see-through one, kind of a smoked gray color. Pretty cool. Cheap radios are not about performance, they're about participation. And now that I've got 6 of these, I need to go find 5 friends to talk to. So really, if you want to tell if these things are RF pure or connect to a repeater or any of those things, please check out any of my other videos, and I will leave a link to the original Baofeng Mini video here that started all the drama on whether these things are clean or not. In the meantime, I got a link in the description down below where you can get the amber version, the crystal version, or the boring plain old gray version. Thanks for being awesome. I'll see you over there.